Hi and welcome to my channel. Today we're opening 4 of these A6 card boxes. I think it's 2, maybe 3 cards per box. And yeah, all the cards are kind of different from each other. So 2 or 3 different kind of types of cards per box. Yeah, this. Let's see. Yeah, 3 different cards. I believe very. Yeah, interesting. Yeah, let's see. And we have this one. Yeah, very thin paper card, very sandpaper glitter thing. Yeah, this kind of feels cheap, or yeah, you could kind of look at this as a bonus card, so it's something extra. And then we have this card with oh, very nice, with the see-through. Yes. There. But yeah, I think they shouldn't divide it, so yeah, yeah, have it whole so you can see it. Yeah, it would have been much better, I think. And let's see. Yeah, this, wow, I don't know, see, bifold, trifold. Yeah, I don't even know word for this many folds. Let's see. I never seen a card with this much. 3, 6. Almost don't fit in the camera. Look at that. Very nice. Kinda, yeah, very Christmas-like. Very glittery. Very, very nice. Very unique. Yeah, I never gotten a fold card like this. I actually never seen a fold card like this. I know someone that will be jealous when he sees this. If he sees this, a long time since I heard anything from him. Yeah, I know he likes fold cards and stuff. Very nice art here. And yeah, I hope you can see. Yeah, very, very annoying. Yeah, I think I like this one better than that one. And then this thin one. Yeah, quite nice. Yeah, like autographed. And then we have more like a acrylic kind of thing, or what it is. Very this broken glass or ice foiling, rainbow foiling all over. Very spicy card. Yeah, very also very nice. Oh, look at that! Had on the back side also. Don't remember that. Also very nice. Huh. Cool. I think I like this side a bit better. You see the art much better. Yeah, they could have used a bit more coloring. When it's so light, it's hard to see, especially when they put so much foiling on it. So yeah. So yeah, you get guess one of each of these in every box, and then the third card is something different. Got another full card. Put that aside, and we start with this one. Yeah. And then we have the very nice, very dark, this one. Let's see, a bit different on the backside on this one. Yeah. Yeah, that's strange. I think it must be something how bent the card is, because you saw it much better on the other side. Switch those out. And no, not the 5. Yeah, 4. Okay, so yeah, let's see what we get here. Yeah. Not the best one. And let's see. Yeah, very glittery sandpaper glitter on this one. Very dark art. Yeah, don't like this one. It wasn't very good art on this side, and a bit too dark and glittery on this one. Kind of hard to see the art, and not much color. Very, yeah, brown and dark. Oh yeah. So, last one. So what do you think about these ones? What's your favorite card? Yeah, I hope you like and subscribe, comment. Yeah, so another one of those, kind of similar. Yeah, so I'm guessing should be a picture on the other side as well. Very nice. Yeah. A bit heavy on the foiling. A bit less on the foiling and a bit better coloring, and this would be very nice. But yeah, there's no doubt in what the best card was. This for this one. This very nice. Yeah, this wasn't as nice this side. Wish you could see a bit more of the girl, but yeah, this side, yeah. And also never gotten anything like this before. Very nice. Yeah. I see you in the next video. Thank you.